Assalamu alaikum students. Today we learn a new English word, parley. Parley. It consists of two syllables. First syllable par. Here there is a stress over the P. Second syllable is lee, while Y is silent here. It is used as a noun as well as verb. Its meaning is a discussion or negotiation between both parties, especially when they disagree or in a conflict. Examples are the two parties are agreed to parley for a peace talk. Here it is used as a verb. The second example is the parliamentary leaders held a parley over a budget proposal. Here it is used as a noun. The words related to parley are number 1, dialogue, discussion, consultation, conference, mediation, diplomacy. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.